Hello guys, if this is your first time of watching my YouTube video, please do well to subscribe so that whenever I publish a new video, you will be the first person to get notification. In our today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to capture image directly from the camera. So today we're going to use OpenCV library to capture image from the webcam. So let's start coding. The first thing that we're going to do here is to import CV2. Import CV2. That is the OpenCV library. So here I'm going to choose my camera width and camera height. Let me say that frame width will be equals to, let me just choose maybe 800. Then the frame height okay, let me set maybe 600. You can choose anything that you like. So the next thing I'm going to do is to write a function to capture the video. So I can say that cap is going to be cv2 dot video. So I'm going to choose this function video capture. So I'm going to select the camera. Right away, I'm not going to select my computer camera. I'm going to choose another additional camera. So if you want to use your computer camera, you're going to choose 0. But if you want to use another additional camera, you're going to choose 1. So let me choose 1. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to use a while loop. While true, so while true, I'm going to return success. Then store the image. Cap dot read. So I'm going to choose this one. So if the camera is opened, it's going to return success. Then I'm going to store the frame in the image. So the next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to resize my image, that is the captured frame, into 800 by 600. So the width is going to be 800 while the height is going to be 600. So let's resize. So I'm going to say that img captured is going to be cv2 dot resize. So I'm going to choose this one, resize. So the first input I'm going to write is the img, then I'm going to take the height and the width. So I'm going to write here frame height, frame width, then the frame height. Okay, so after this, I'm going to do what? I'm going to show my image. That to say, I'm going to display my image. So I'm going to use cv2 dot imshow. Wow. So the first input I'm going to write here is going to be the name of the image. So I'm going to say captured image. Then the image captured. Okay, then I'm going to write another code that's going to help me to destroy the window. For example, if I press something like Q, it's going to destroy all the windows. So it's going to remove the captured image. Let's say that key is equals to cv2 dot wait key. So I'm going to use wait key here. The wait key of maybe 1. Then I'm going to use if statement. If key is equals to odd of Q. So whenever I press Q, it's going to destroy all the windows. Then break. Then I'm going to say cap dot release. Then again cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, so this is our code. The next thing we are going to do is to run the code. So let's run the code. Wow, cv2 has no attribute, I am sure. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do here is to run the code. Let's run the code. Wow, you can see the captured image. You can see it here, captured image. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to destroy the window. So I'm going to press Q. You can see the window has destroyed. Okay, what if I want to convert this image into grayscale image? So let's write the code that's going to convert this image into a grayscale image. So what I'm going to do here is to write under here. I'm going to write img underscore gray is going to be what? It's going to be cvt color. It's going to be cv2 dot cvt color. Then I'm going to take my input, which is the image. Then I'm going to convert it cv2 dot color. So I'm going to choose here BGR to gray. So let me choose the first one. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to resize the image, that is the gray image, into 800 by 600. So the width is going to be 800 and the height is going to be 600. So I'm going to say that img gray so img gray resize. Img gray resize is going to be cv2 dot resize. Then it's going to take the IMG gray, then it's going to take another input, that is the frame width and the height. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do here, the next line of code, is to display the grayscale image. So I'm going to write cv2 dot imshow, then I'm going to write the name as grayscale image. Then it's going to take another input, that is the img underscore, that is resize. Okay, you can see our code. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to run the code. Wow, so you can see it here on the screen. The first one is the captured image, that is the colored image. Then you can see the second one, that is the grayscale image. So the code is running very well. Our code is running very well. Okay, in this tutorial we were able to capture image directly from the camera. Then we're able to convert our image from color image to grayscale image. So let me destroy the window by pressing Q. So in this tutorial we were able to capture the image directly from the camera. Then we're able to resize our image into 800 by 600. Then we're able to convert our image from RGB to grayscale, that is color image to grayscale image. So before I end this tutorial, let's run the code once again. So you can see our code is running very well. On this juncture, this is where I'm going to end my tutorial. In our next tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to detect face from the facial landmark. So see you guys in the next tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.